Hi everyone. Today I want to just planning to explaining for you what is the R programming and why we need R programming and the rules and the basic rules and basic examples for beginners just who want to learn R programming. I'm just sharing with you just uh, my wall. So just before the starting to work on the programming, I need to explaining for you how to downloading the R program to your private laptops. Just let's starting just we have the two major just links. Just we need to open the rproject.org. So here is the unit just to starting the download R. Then just you will see just according to the country links regarding the R programming. So I think just the most popular and useful just the US version, just we can open it for that platform. So here is we will have these three options. If your laptop is the Linux, you need to download the R just for Linux. If your laptop is the Mac, so then you need to download R for Mac. And if your laptop is the Windows, just you need to download R for Windows. So after downloading the Windows, for example, the most just computers, the people using Mac or Windows. So just after downloading this file, then next steps, you are opening the next link. That is the rstudio.com. So here is you will see in this link just the RStudio desktop. So such kind of the options, but we need to download three options to download RStudio to your desktop. You're making the downloading. So then you can making the next steps by using the from here, installation and other issues. So then after the downloading just your R programming, then just a unit just opening the shortcut from the Windows. Then we are going to work on R programming. I'm stopping now just I think just now I'm just going to opening my RStudio platform. So this is our just RStudio platform. After downloading the you see this kind of the platform. So before starting, I want just to explaining the each sections for just targeted focusing what we can do it, what explaining the each section. So this section is we will making just our addings or data variables. And here is we will just making running functions. You're just analyzing results. And here is it was making the sum just lines. If you found just a blue line, it means just you're writing this correct. If you found just a red line, red text, so it means just you're writing somewhere the mistake. But in these sections, we will have the plot, where is you will see your figures, charts, other issues, the result of your analyzing. And here is the packages. The R programming needs to before they starting what kind of the packages you are going to apply to your study. For example, one of them, the basic just packages is called iGraph. So if you didn't find just iGraph just in this platform, then you need to opening the install section. You need to write iGraph here. iGraph, you see, then installation if you have on here. After the installation, you will see just iGraph here. Then you need just to click here if you want to work on iGraph. So just let's starting the sample examples with you. I want to just giving my kind of the examples. Let's just making the social networking analysis. So very simple examples. We need to write in here social networking analysis. Social networking analysis. Then we need to find library. Library means we need to add packages. Which packages will you use it? Just my working packages iGraph. You will see here it was open iGraph. Then we're going to start adding the information, the relevant data. So then the G, then we need, sorry, just here is that we need to write graph. You see, need to put graph, then C, then we need to put just 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 1. So after writing this one, we need to write plot section, plot, then G, then we need to add vertex dot color equal, for example, green. Then vertex dot size equal, for example, 40. Vertex, not vertex, edge color equal, for example, red. Well, we have just done it just several functions here. So in this record, I'm putting the just a click here, then making run. You see, just one first function, just added here. Then I'm making just the next function is here, next running. You see in the pro section, that's your first graph. So then we are copying this section. Then I will explain why we have. Before the copying, I need to adding just one more function here. Just here is the directed, you see, f, then n equal 7. What does it mean? Directed f, you need to pay attention lines, the red lines. So, and also n7, we have just for just networking, just destinations. But now we need to increase it just to 7. Let's see. See, that is the red lines, it's like so, and that is the 7. It means just we have this some communication, but they are far distance, not directly connection among them. So then we're copying this section, same section here, but here is we need to write G1, and post section also we need to write G1. So think about number 1, I'm changing, for example, just the model of the cars, BMW. Then number 2, I'm changing Porsche. Again, Porsche. Number 3, I'm changing Toyota. Toyota. Then again, BMW. You will understand why I'm doing like that, just to making the matching each other. BMW, and then making Toyota, and then making Ford, and then making BMW. So it's everything is clear here. Then we're making here again running. Second running is coming. Then after here, we're making the next running. You see how is the communication? BMW, Ford, Porsche, and Toyota. BMW have the 2 connection with Toyota. One line going and next line back. But Toyota with Porsche, they have the 1 line communication. BMW only 1 line communication. Ford and BMW only 1 line communication. This is the kind of examples of the task for you for beginning. We will continue our just the next classes for upcoming periods that you will learn just the next steps of the programming. Thank you very much for taking your kind attention for learning purposes. Thank you very much.